Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss with probability chapter. Okay, some basic concepts which we will revise right now. Okay, see, let's start with a deck of 52 cards. When we talk about 52 cards, I hope everybody knows what it consists of. It consists of 4 kings, it consists of 4 queens, it consists of 4 jacks, it consists of the numbers. Okay, see, this is one suit, this is another suit, this is another suit. There are 4 suits altogether. Alright, now when we talk about spade ka suit, okay, when we talk about spade, it has altogether how many cards? 13 cards into it. How many cards? 13 cards. Okay, 13 cards into 4, which is equal to 52. See, you will get a question in exam. A is the event of getting a picture card. So picture cards are how many picture cards? There are 4 into 3, which is equal to 12 picture cards. Okay, altogether there are 12 picture cards and numbered cards. See, you will get a question related to probability in exam. A is the event of getting a numbered cards. So there are how many numbered cards? 10 into 4, which is equal to 40. Now, when we start with the probability, we always write a sample space. We always write what? Sample space. Sample space is all the possible events. Okay, so in this 1 to 52, okay, total 52 cards are there. So how many sample points will be there? Number of sample points will be 52. Yes. Now, when we talk about a probability of getting a queen, so there are 4 queens. There are 4 queens out of 52. When we get a probability of a king, probability A is the event that we get a event. Suppose in exam you are getting A is the event of getting a king. So how will you solve? A is the event of getting a king. So there are 4 kings out of 52, right? See, actually how probability is defined. Probability is equal to n of A upon n of S. That means number of elements in event A upon number of sample points, number of elements in sample space. Okay, now see here there are possible, how many possible outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so 4 upon 52 will be your answer. Right, now suppose you will get a question that A is the event, the card drawn is from the suit of club. Okay, the question is A is the event of getting a card from the suit of club. Okay, now when we talk about this club, there are altogether how many clubs? There are total 10 plus 3 picture cards, total 13 cards. Okay, so how will we find the probability of clubs? Probability of getting a club is equal to 13 by 52. Similarly, we can find probability of getting a diamond card. Probability of getting a diamond card will be how much? 13 by 52. Probability of getting a heart will be how much? 13 by 52. See, there is a problem in which they will give probability of getting a ace. How many ace? Probability of ace will be how much? There are 4 ace altogether in a deck of 52 cards. Okay, I hope you understood this basic concept. Okay, this is how you should tackle a problem which is related to cards. Now let's move to coin wala problem. Okay, see, when 2 coins are tossed, see, whenever you get a problem related to 2 coins, make sure you read the problem carefully, whether it is 2 coins tossed, 3 coins tossed, or a single coin is tossed. Okay, first and foremost step which you need to write is sample space. Okay, so when you write a sample space, what are the major possibilities? First, we can get tail tail, we can get head heads. Okay, we can get tail heads, we can get head tails. Okay, now suppose you get a question. A is the event. See how you may get a question. A is the event. A is the event of getting a head. Okay, now see how many heads? Wala possibility, only one. So probability of event A will be how much? N of A upon N of S. Now tell me number of possible outcomes in A. Okay, only one possibility, that will be 1 upon 4. Right? Now suppose B is the event of getting a tail. B is the event of getting a tail. Okay, now probability of getting a tail will be how much? On both the dice. Only one possibility, that will be 1 out of 4. 1 upon 4. So this is how you should tackle coins wala problem. There are 3 coins tossed wala problem also. Okay, see, whenever there is 3 coins tossed, so how to write sample space? I will discuss a shortcut trick how to write a sample space. In this case, see, just simply copy down two coins tossed wala sample space. Head head, tail tail, head tail, tail head. Okay, simply copy it down twice. Head tail, tail head. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to copy HT, HT, TH, TH. Okay, this is how you should write the sample space. This is N of S is equal to 8. See, there is a trick. I will tell you one trick that will be used oftenly. See, suppose one coin is tossed. If you want N of S, what you need to do? 2 raised to 1, which is 2. Suppose there are 2 coins tossed. N of S will be how much? 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4. Suppose 3 coins are tossed. So N of S will be equal to how much? 2 raised to 3, which is 8. If 4 coins are tossed, N of S will be equal to 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Suppose N coins are tossed. So N of S will be 2 raised to N. Okay, so this is how you should remember the formula when N coins are tossed. Alright, I hope you understood the basic concept of coins tossed. Okay, in this also you get 2 types of question. One is at least and at most. Okay, see, probability of at least one head, probability of at least one head, probability of at most one head. See, these two are different questions. You need to understand the basic at most and at least wala concept. Okay, you need to understand these two concepts very well, otherwise you cannot attempt the question. Okay, this pen is not working. Okay, no problem. Fine. Now, at least मतलब कम से कम. I hope you understand Hindi. At most मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. सर ये क्या तरीका हुआ? Okay. See, why I am telling you this way? At least one head. See here. At least one का मतलब क्या होता है? At least one मतलब कम से कम एक होना ही चाहिए. कम से कम एक होना ही चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा. कम से कम at least one होना ही चाहिए. ये चलेगा, yes. ये चलेगा, yes. ये चलेगा, yes. ये चलेगा, yes. Yes, yes. So how many possible outcomes? Total 7 outcomes. So probability of at least one head. At least one head will be equal to what? Will be equal to 7 upon 8. Right? Now probability of at most वाला check करते हैं. At most one head. Okay? See, look here carefully. when we talk about at most मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड, उससे ज्यादा नहीं चलेगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड नहीं चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड, उससे कम रहेगा तो चलेगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये नहीं चलेगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड ये चलेगा, राइट, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड ये नहीं चलेगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड ये चलेगा, एक हेड चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा. Okay, now how many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look here carefully. ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक, उससे ज्यादा नहीं चलेगा, कम से कम कितना भी चलेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 upon 8, which is equal to 1 upon 1. I hope you understood this basic 3 coins wala tossed wala question. I hope you can attempt these questions in exams. Okay, let's start next type. Okay, die is rolled. Okay, see, whenever die is rolled, we can say number of sample points is 1 to 6. All right, whenever a die is rolled, single die is rolled. All right, so sample points. So you may get a question. A is the event of getting an odd number. How many odd number? 1, 3, 5. Only 3 odd numbers. See, I'm writing the event. A is the event of getting an odd number. Okay, so how we will write n of a? N of a में कितना elements आएगा? 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. Okay, so p of a will be how much? N of a upon n of s. Yes, this is 3 upon 6, which is half. Okay, now you may get a question. A is the event such that it consists of even numbers. Now A is the event of getting a even numbers. I hope you are getting what I mean to say, even numbers. Okay, now how many even numbers? 1, 2, 3. So n of A will be how much? Alright, sorry for the interruption. Alright, let's continue. N of A is equal to 3 upon total elements is 6. Okay, which will be half. Okay, so this is how you should solve a problem related to single dice rule. Okay, now whenever 2 dice are rolled, so how will you write the sample points? How will you write n of s? N of s is 36 in that case. Okay, so how to write? First 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 2. That way you should write. Alright, all the elements which are possible. See, in this question, in this type of question, you may get an event. You may get an event of getting a doublet. A is the event of getting a doublet. Okay, so doublet means, see, this is called as doublet. 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 These are called as doublets. Okay, now how many doublets are there? Okay, how many doublets? 6. So n of a, number of elements in event A is 6. So p of a will be how much? P of a we can easily find. P of a is equal to n of a upon n of s, right? Which is equal to 6 by 36, which is 1 by 6. Right? I hope you understood what I am discussing right now. Alright. See, you may get various types of question in 2 dice rule. You may get a question. A is the event such that you get an even number on first die. Even number on first die का मतलब है first die का even number होना चाहिए. This whole, and this whole. Okay. What was the event? A is the event of getting even number on first die. Okay. Now, how many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 3. 18 outcomes are there. N of A, number of elements in event A will be how much? 18. 18 upon 36. 18 ones are 18 twos, which is 1 by 2. Yes, I hope you understood what was the basic concept I was discussing right now. A is the event. So there are various questions you may get related to dice rolled. Okay, let's go to tickets wala type. See, in this you may get a event See, first of all, number of tickets kitne? How many number of tickets are there? Total n of s, number of sample points will be 20. 20 tickets are there. I hope you getting. There are 20 tickets, so n of s will be 20. So in this you may get an event. A is the event. A is the event of getting prime number. Okay. So you need to count how many prime number between 1 to 20, and then you will write A के अंदर 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15 नहीं आएगा, 17, 19. Are there only these possibilities? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of elements in event A is 8. P of A will be n of A upon n of s, which is equal to 8 upon 20. You can cancel it with 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Our answer will be 2 by 5. I hope these types of question you can tackle. That's all for today. Alright, these were the basic concepts which you can get in boards. Thank you. That's all for today's video. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.